Morning, teacher.
Good morning, Torpu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Yumin.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Puan.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Frame.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, EQ.
Good morning, teacher.
Nice job. Good morning, Nano.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Kane.
Good morning, teacher.
Who's that? Oh, good morning, Curfew. Yeah. Good morning, Sora.
Good morning, teacher.
There you go. Good morning, Aum.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Yufa. Good morning, Tree.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Tonka. And that's all of the names that I have. Oh, good morning, JJ.
Good morning, teacher.
Nice job. Who else do we have here? Who did I miss? Who did I miss? I only have that many names, so if I did not call your name, I don't have your name on my list yet.
เนี่ยมีใครยังไม่ได้ขานชื่อไหมคะ มีไหมคะ
I know there's more of you. I see all your screens. No?
มีใครยังไม่ได้ขานชื่อไหมคะเด็กๆ ไม่มีนะ เข้าครบทุกคนนะ Maybe we can continue.
Yeah, okay. Our attendance is part of our participation. So if I don't get a good morning or a hello from you and I don't have your name on my list, you're not getting as many participation points as you can get. Okay, it's a really easy participation point to say hello and good morning. So if I don't have your name, you're not getting those points. Okay? Anybody want to say hello and get those points?
นักเรียนคะถ้าใครที่ยังไม่ได้เช็คชื่อกับทีเชอร์นะคะนักเรียนจะไม่ได้คะแนนเข้าคลาสเรียนนะคะดังนั้นคนที่ทีเชอร์เขามีการเรียกชื่อขานชื่อเนี่ยคนเหล่านี้เขาจะได้คะแนนเข้าชั้นเรียนนะถ้าหนูไม่ได้เช็คชื่อไม่ได้ขานชื่อกับทีเชอร์เนี่ยคะแนนหนูจะหายไปนะคะยิ่งหนูเข้าเรียนทุกวันสัปดาห์หนึ่งหนูเรียน2 วันใน2 วันต่อสัปดาห์หนูไม่เคยขานชื่อเลยหนูก็จะไม่มีคะแนนเข้าเรียนนะคะไม่มีนะ Yes we can continue
Perfect. Okay, so we're going to go over our lesson 3 and then we're gonna finish lesson 4. Okay, so let me share my screen to our book. Okay, unit 5, lesson 3 and 4. So yesterday we watched the video and then we read all of the picture slides, we read all of the bubbles, and we did our dictation and our vocabulary. And so I said I wanted you guys to do the language lodge for homework. So first we're going to just watch the little video, and then we're gonna do our language lodge. We're gonna go over it. Okay.
Jason, Patty, Adam and Sue, the happy campers, coming to you.
Hi, Greg. Wow, a telescope. Is it for the movie?
No, I'm an astronomer too.
I study the universe.
Cool. Can you see comets and meteors flying in space? Zoom. Whoosh.
Can you see the craters on the moon?
Sure.
Is our moon the biggest moon there is?
No, it isn't the biggest, but it's the closest to Earth.
Is Earth the greenest planet? Which is the largest planet? Let's go see. It's Jupiter. But it's daytime, Patty.
Okay. So let's answer this first question up here. What does Greg like to do? What is his job? It's the same one as this word.
Astronomer.
Yeah, astronomer. Very good, you mean. Yes, he's an astronomer. He says it right here. Let me exit out. Right here. I'm an astronomer. I study the universe. Okay. Astronomers study the universe. Let's see. Astronomer. Let me hear you say astronomer.
Astronomer.
Very good.
Astronomer.
Yeah, good job. All right, and astronomers use this to help them see the night sky.
Telescope.
Yes, you mean telescope. A telescope. Let me hear everyone say telescope.
Telescope.
Very good. Telescope. We can use a telescope to look at the moon. Very good. Yes, the moon. Moon. And remember, the moon does not have its own light. The moon reflects the light of the sun like a mirror. This is a ray of light flying through the night sky. Anyone remember what we call this? 3, 2, 1. A comet.
Comet.
A comet. Zoom, right? You can make your arms go really wide like a ray of light. Comet. Which is different than this one, which is a fast rock. Anyone remember this name?
Mountain.
Super close. Meteor. 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 It goes like, zoom. It's a burning rock flying through space. Okay. And meteors, when they hit a planet or a moon, they make a big hole. What do we call that hole? I hear you trying right there. Crater.
Crater.
Crater. Yeah. So let's go through those 3 again. Say comet.
Comet.
And make your arms really, really long. Comet.
Comet.
All the way across. It's a shooting star. They're really beautiful to look at, actually. This one's a meteor. Say meteor.
Meteor.
Very good. You can take your fist like a rock and fly it through the sky. And then this last one, make your arms into a hole. We say crater.
Crater.
Meteors make craters. Okay? Meteors make craters. So, what we are going to do is we're going to go over our language lodge. Okay? And if you already looked at it, it has all of the 6 vocab pictures and then 6 sentences, and they wanted us to fill in the blank. So let's zoom into this. All right, the first one, there is a big blank on the moon. Who can give me the full sentence? Fill in the blank for me. Noni? Yeah, no worries, take your time. Sorry, there's so much noise right now. It's the big hole that the meteors make. The last vocab word. There is a big blank on the moon.
Crater.
Yes, Noni, a crater. How do we spell crater? Noni or someone else, you can shout it out if you know how to spell crater.
C-A-C-R-A-T-E-R.
Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh, Noni, fantastic job. There is a big crater on the moon. Everyone say that sentence. There is a big crater on the moon. I want to hear you. There is a big crater on the moon. Your turn.
There is a big crater on the moon.
Thank you, Yumin. Very good. Okay, number 2. Look at the picture. It says, we use a blank to look at planets. What's that tool that we use to look at planets? Torpu? What do we use to look at planets? What's number 2? We use a blank to look at planets.
อ่านว่าอะไรนะ
ข้อ2ตอบอะไร
อ่านว่าอะไรวะลืม
telescope ลูก
Telescope
เขาเรียกอะไรนะครับ
telescope
Telescope. Very good, Torpu. Can anyone help spell telescope? Anyone have it on there? We should have it all on our vocab lists. Telescope. How do we spell telescope? Frame, do you know how to spell telescope?
นักเรียนคนไหนสะกด telescope ให้ทีเชอร์หน่อยค่ะ
T-E-L-E-S-C-O-P-E.
Yes, T-E-L-E-S-C-O-P-E, telescope. You can take your hands like this, telescope. Telescope. When we use our signs, it helps us remember our vocabulary words. We use a telescope to look at planets. Your turn.
We use a telescope to look at planets.
Yes, very good. I love hearing you guys use the full sentence. Okay, number 3, we have a picture right here. It says there was a big, beautiful blank last night. There actually was a really beautiful one of these last night. What do we put in this blank? Puan? Pian? Pian. Thank you, Noni. I'm trying. Pian. What picture is this? What are we going to put in our blank, Pian? The moon. Yes, the moon. How do we spell moon? Moon. How do we spell moon?
M-O-O-N.
Yes, ma'am. Noni, you are rocking it today. M-O-O-N. Moon. There was a big, beautiful moon last night. Your turn. There was a
There was a big, beautiful moon
last
Last night.
last night.
Good job. Good job. Okay, number 4. This one is the scientist.
Astronomer.
Yes, an astronomer. How do we spell astronomer?
Astronomer. Yeah.
Astronomer. Kind of like astronaut, right? Or astrology. Astro, this part, astro, means space, the universe. So he is a person that studies planets, moons, and solar systems. An astronomer studies planets, moons, and solar systems. Your turn.
An astronomer studies planet, moons, and solar systems.
Solar system.
Yes, good job. I love hearing all of your voices. Number 5. Okay, 5 and 6 are the two that are very similar. 5 has a long tail. What do we call the streak of light with a long tail?
Oh.
Comet.
Yes, you mean a comet. How do we spell comet?
COMET.
Yes, a comet has a long tail. Let me hear you say that. A comet has a long tail.
Comet has a long tail.
Yeah, like this. Have you ever seen a comet? Have you ever seen a shooting star in the sky? They're really pretty. If you ever see one, you can make a wish. All right, and the last one is something that flies across the sky in a flash. What do we call that burning rock that flies across the sky in a flash? Yes, a meteor. How do we spell meteor?
METEOR.
Meteor. There we go. METEOR. Meteor. Very good. A meteor flies across the sky in a flash. Your turn.
Meteor flies across the sky in a flash.
Very good. Very good. The more we practice reading, the better our speaking will be. I'm so proud of you guys. All right. So now that we went through all of this, I expect your page 19 to be complete. Okay. And then let's go back to here. Okay. Let's go to our grammar pass. Okay. Do we want to watch the video again? Some of the questions in our grammar pass can be answered in our video. Would we like to watch our video again? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, thank you for that answer. Okay, perfect.
Jason, Patty, Adam and Sue, the happy campers, coming to you.
Hi, Greg. Wow, a telescope. Is it for the movie?
No, I'm an astronomer too. I study the universe.
Cool. Can you see comets and meteors flying in space? Zoom, whoosh.
Can you see the craters on the moon?
Sure.
Is our moon the biggest moon there is?
No, it isn't the biggest, but it's the closest to Earth.
Is Earth the greenest planet? Which is the largest planet? Let's go see. It's Jupiter, but it's daytime, Patty.
All right. So let's zoom in on this. Says, hi, Greg. Wow.
Telescope.
Yes, a telescope. Is it for the movie? Greg says, no, I'm an,
Astronomer.
Astronaut.
not an astronaut, super close, an astronomer. He says, no, I'm an astronomer too. I study the universe. And then he says, cool. Says, then Adam asks, can you see?
Comet.
Yes, comets and
Meteor.
meteors flying in space. And Patty asks, can you see the,
Crater.
yes, on the moon? Greg says, sure. Sure means yes. Sure means yes, he can see those comets and meteors flying through space. He can see the craters on the moon with his telescope. Then Patty asks, is our
Moon.
moon the biggest
Moon.
moon there is? Greg says, no, it isn't the biggest, but it's the closest to Earth. So it's not the biggest moon, but it's the closest to Earth. And then Sue asks, is Earth the greenest planet? Which is the largest planet? Let's go see. She's gonna go use her telescope, okay? And then Sue says, it's Jupiter, but it's daytime, Patty. Why is she sad? Why can't she see Jupiter? Why can't she see Jupiter with the telescope?
Day night.
It's daytime.
Daytime.
It's daytime. The sun is out. It's too bright. Too bright. It's daytime, Patty. Okay. Great job, guys. Okay, so now we're going to do our grammar pass. So I'd like you to get your paper and your pencil. It should already be ready. And I'm going to put in the chat what we're going to write. In your notebook. First, we're going to put our date. What is today? What is the day of the week? Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is
Tuesday.
Oh, that was yesterday. Today is
Wednesday.
Yes, Wednesday. And remember, we spell it weird. It's not spelled how you think it's spelled. Wednesday, November 17th, 2021. Here, I'll put it in the chat. There you go. It's Wednesday. 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 There are a lot of words in English that are not spelled the way that they are said. So I know it's confusing. But I also know that you can do this, okay? We're gonna do Unit 5, Lesson 4, Grammar Pass. We have 4 sentences. When you are ready, give me a thumbs up. Nice job. Frame is writing his topic. Puan is writing her topic. If your camera is off, you should be following along, writing the topic so we can do our grammar pass. If possible, please turn on the camera. Oh, are you okay? If possible, please turn on your camera. That way I can see you are here and we can participate a little bit more.
นักเรียนค่ะถ้านักเรียนคนไหนที่สามารถเปิดกล้องได้แล้วพวกหนูเปิดกล้องให้ทิเชอร์เอมิลี่หน่อยนะคะทิเชอร์อยากเห็นหน้านักเรียนนะนักเรียนเปิดกล้องปิดไมค์เปิดกล้องนะคะพอถึงเวลาให้ตอบคำถามค่อยเปิดไมค์ตอบคำถามนะคะแต่ว่านักเรียนควรจะเปิดกล้องนิดนึงนะคะเพราะว่า6/1ตอนนี้มีคนเปิดกล้องอยู่แค่ 1 2 3 4 5 มีแค่6 คนเอง 6 students turn on the camera
เย้
นะคะ
Yeah, just the 6.
yes
And these are the friends that are participating more, and they're going to get more credit, and they're going to get more practice, which means they're going to be better at reading, better at speaking English. So this class can be as fun as you make it. The 6 friends that are here with me, I'm very proud of you. Your camera is off. I'm still proud of you for being here.
นะคะขอให้นักเรียนทุกคนเปิดกล้องนะคะ ไม่แน่ใจนักเรียนได้ยินเสียงทิเชอร์หรือเปล่าเนาะรบกวนเปิดกล้องให้ทิเชอร์หน่อยนะคะ
Okay. Maybe another minute. Let me put the timer on. 1 more minute, and then we will do our grammar pass. Yeah, it'll be exactly 10 o'clock, which gives us 20 minutes to finish. I think we're going to get through lesson 4 today for sure. You guys are rocking it. Dorpu, are you done? Almost? You doing good? Cool. Twenty seconds. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So it's still in the chat. So we're just going to go ahead and start our grammar pass. Oops. Okay. So the first sentence, it says, is our moon the biggest? Is our moon the biggest? Go ahead and write that down. Is our moon the biggest? And then we're going to do a little arrow. And then we'll select which answer it is. Excuse me. Is our moon the biggest?
Jupiter. Jupiter.
Oh, Jupiter is the biggest planet. You're absolutely right, you mean. But this question's asking, is our moon the biggest moon? Remember what Greg said in our video? Is our moon the biggest?
Yes, is it?
You think yes? Anyone else think differently?
No.
Our moon.
We have Jupiter. Yes, it is. Our moon. No, it isn't. Is our moon the biggest? Remember in the video,
No, it is.
Sue asked Greg, and he said, no, it's not the biggest, but it's the closest to Earth. So is our moon the biggest?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. So you're gonna do the little arrow and then you're gonna answer it. No, it isn't. Okay? And then we'll do number 2. He said, no, our moon is not the biggest, but it is the closest to Earth, which is going to help us with this next question. Is our moon the biggest? No, it isn't. You can practice saying that. Is our moon the biggest? No, it isn't. You ready, Frame? Yeah. Chaika, yeah, you ready? Noni, I think, is still writing. Yumin is still writing. Torpu is still writing. Where's my stopwatch? I can give you, oh. I'll give you, oh, what in the world is going on? Sorry, guys. I clicked a button and it went away. I don't know. Pull that up here. No, it isn't. I'll give you 1 minute to finish writing that sentence and answer. It's a question with an answer. Is our moon the biggest? Biggest?
Number 2. Yes, it is.
Oh, you're ready for number 2, you mean?
Yeah.
We'll do it in 40 seconds, okay? I want everyone to finish writing number 1. But I'm so proud of you for looking at number 2. You're already there. I'm so proud. 20 more seconds to finish this first question and answer. If you want to go on and keep writing number 2 and 3 and 4, that is totally okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. You mean you already told us, right? Which is the closest moon to Earth? Which is the closest moon to Earth? Is it Jupiter or is it our moon?
Our moon.
Jupiter or our moon? I don't know.
Which is the closest moon to Earth? Jupiter is another planet, so if it's asking which is the closest moon to Earth,
our moon?
Our moon. Our moon is the closest moon to Earth. It's our moon. Very good. I liked how you really thought about what the answer could be and why. Jupiter is the biggest planet and it has the biggest moons, but
Jupiter.
Our moon is the closest moon to Earth, and it is not the biggest moon in the universe. Give you 2 minutes to finish number 2. A sentence with the question mark and the answer. So question with an answer. 1 minute. Thirty more seconds. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Number 3, which is,
Number 3, Jupiter.
yeah, which is the largest planet? Jupiter. Jupiter. There we go. Which is the largest planet? Jupiter. I'll give you 2 minutes to finish that sentence. Ten more minutes, guys. You're doing so great. I think we're going to be able to get at least half of our worksheet done too, which means less homework for you. One minute. Press enter before I finish the sentence. So number 4, is Earth the greenest planet? Question mark with an arrow. The only answer is
Yes, is it?
yes, it is. It's the greenest planet. Yes, it is. Again, I'll give you 2 minutes to finish. I'll give you 4 minutes to make sure you have all 4 of these sentences done. Okay, so finish number 4 and make sure all of them are done with the answers in your notebook. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you have any questions, please ask me those questions. Frame, are you done? Yeah, great job, Frame, good job. Getting it all done. June, how are you doing? JJ, Nano, Kane, Sora, Tonka, how are we doing? Tree, Curfew, Yufa. Can I get a thumbs up if you're doing okay? If you have any questions, please ask. You can put it in the chat or you can ask in Thai and Tangwa will translate. 2 minutes. Awesome. Okay, everyone feeling good? Everyone got it? All right. I'll take a picture of this for Tangwa to put in the chat for you guys, just in case you didn't. That's really dirty. My screen is so dirty. Okay. Let's go on to our page 19 and page 20. Okay, so page 20. This is going to be your homework. So what I want you to do is you're going to see on the bottom all of these answers. You're going to see answers. Your job is to write the question. Okay, your job is to write the question. So let's do number 1 together before we go. Number 1, the answer is Venus is the hottest planet, right? Venus is the hottest planet. What question can we ask to get that answer? They give us the answer. What's the question?
นักเรียนคะใน lesson 4 ค่ะมันจะเป็นการบ้านให้นักเรียนไปทำที่บ้านนะเรามาทำข้อ 1 พร้อมๆกัน Venus is the hottest planet นักเรียนคิดว่าถ้าเราตั้งคำถามขึ้นมา1คำถามเนี่ยเราตั้งแบบไหนดีที่เราได้คำตอบว่าไอตัวดาววีนัสเนี่ยมันคือดาวเคราะห์ที่ร้อนที่สุดเราต้องใช้ WH question เข้ามาช่วยในข้อนี้
It's
เราเคย
okay.
เรียนเรื่อง
We're gonna go
WH
over it
question
together. I saw Nani go, oh my gosh. I know, it's a lot. So basically, they give us the answer. Venus is the hottest planet. So our question could be, which is the hottest planet? Question mark. The answer is Venus is the hottest planet. Does that make sense? They want us to give the question because they give us the answer. Okay, so that's going to be your homework because class is nearly over. Language Lodge. Write the question for the answer they give us. Okay, we're going to write the question. They give us the answer. Write the question. Okay, and you have all weekend to do it. And then so on Tuesday, we'll go over it together. Okay, just try your best. Try your best. Okay, I don't care if you get it right. I care if you try. Okay, you can get it wrong all day. As long as you're trying, I will be so proud of you and you will get a good grade. Okay. Okay, dokie now. How about Noni? Do you want to pick a song for Tuesday?
Into the Fire by Into One.
Into the fire, into the fight?
Into the Fight by
Into
Into
the
One.
fight. Okay, by Intro One. Got it. I like Intro One. They're cool. Okay, friends, let's say thank you and then we'll be done. Thank you. Thank you. I really want to thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Khop ka, khop mai ka. Have a great weekend. It was lovely to see you. You guys did so good. I'm so proud. Bye. Sawadee ka.
Teacher, you so cool.
Oh, you mean you're so cool.
So cool and so cute.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Khop ka.
See you
Tuesday.
Yeah.
You guys are so cute. Have a great week.
See you again.
Bye.
นั่นเองค่ะเดี๋ยวคุณครูย้ำกันบ้านอีกทีนึงนะคะ จะเป็นใบงาน lesson 4 นะลูก อันนี้คือไม่ซีเรียสว่าหนูทำถูกทำผิดนะคะ แต่ขอให้นักเรียนลองฝึกทำเองก่อนแล้วเดี๋ยววันอังคารหน้าเราจะมาเฉลยพร้อมกันดีไหมคะดีไหมคะลูกใช้ดินสอทำก่อนเนาะเผื่อผิดแล้วเราจะได้ลบได้ถ้าเราใช้ปากกาเดี๋ยวมันผิดแล้วเราต้องสรุปผิดนะคะเนาะโอเคเราเจอกันวันอังคารหน้าเด็กๆโชคดีนะคะ
Bye. Bye.
สวัสดีค่ะ